Hello again. In the previous lecture, we have seen how to use NetDiscover to discover the connected clients through being a part of the target network. So as we said, here is Apple device, here is my Kali Linux machine, and here is my Windows PC, and here is the router. The next step of the scan, it will be to use another tool called Nmap to discover the open ports and the running services. And to run Nmap, just you need to write Nmap here. Let's start with --help or --help. First of all, the usage of Nmap to put the scan type, then options, then target, IP or range or whatever. So to target a website, it will be like that. It is showing us examples here. So you can scan websites, you can scan single IP or a range or a full subnet. So let's start with host discovery. Let's say we'll start with -small l and capital L. This is for list scan. Simply list targets to scan. So Nmap, small s, capital L, and our target. So let's say I will target the whole network or the whole subnet. Enter. Okay, here we go. So this is the whole subnet. These are the connected clients. If we notice here, it's telling us 0 hosts are up. Let's try another scan. Let's go back and map -help, host discovery. Let's try this time ping scan and map sn and the same subnet. Okay, here it's telling us, after we wrote this command, it's telling us there is one host called home router.cpe. This is its MAC address. There is another host, this is its IP, and this is its MAC address. This is another host, and this is its MAC address. Regarding all these details, you are going to use them later, and I'll show you how to use them in a smart way and how to get benefit of them. Here it's showing this device is Apple, and this is its MAC address, which is a very good information. So sometimes for some routers there will be a whitelist and blacklist if this MAC address was configured to be given access to this router, so I can just change my MAC address and connect easily. Let me show you my, if I go here, if I log in, connection settings, if I go to MAC filter, see here, select a MAC filtering mode from the filtering mode drop down list. Here we have disable, allow, deny. If it's allowed, then I will allow a client to access the network if the client's MAC address is in the MAC address list. So if, let's say, this MAC address for this Apple device was added here, so easily, as I have shown you before, I can change my MAC address to this one, and I can get access to this network easily. This is one of the benefits or the usage of this tool. Let's take another scan. Let's go back to the help, discovery. Okay, we have tried this and this. Let's take something else from scan techniques. Let's take the stealth mode here SS. So small s, capital S, and let's change the range. Let's say I want to scan only 10 IPs. Here it starts scanning the ports. So let's say it's telling me this device, which its IP is 8.102, it has those ports opened. So this is 135 TCP open, 139, 445, and so on. This is the MAC address, and for the rest the ports are closed. Later I'll show you how to use this information to gain access to this device and control it 100%. Let me show you another thing. Let's say I took this SS scan, this for the whole range. It will take time, so I can press enter and I'll see the performance percentage here. So it's telling this SYN steel scan is going on. I can keep pressing enter to know the scan percentage completed. I'll just stop here. In the next lecture we're gonna discuss about the ARP poisoning attack and how to be the man in the middle just to start sniffing data from those connected devices.